So we received our button plus box. Let's do a first inspection and configuration. As you can see, the display and bar modules are on the right side. Here's the power supply, and this is the baseboard. The baseboard package contains 8 screws, a wire for powering the device. On this side we have the aluminium plate, which should fix on the flush mounted box, and here we have the mount and the PCB of the base module. As you can see, it fits in here nicely. So now let's first screw the board to the baseboard. You screw with just a normal P2 screwdriver. You screw it to the base. Actually, if you mount it on the wall, you have to repeat this, but now first for testing we screw it just on the base like this. You tighten the screws not so fast, just with a little moment, but not a lot. As you see, it's like this. So now we will we first have a look at lock pins, because the lock pins should be open. If you can see, have a good look. The lock pin on the left here, it's actually closed. You see there is the line is connected. There's a line from the mount to the lock pin itself and here, so it's connected. So this is closed, so we need to open it first. So we turn 180 degrees. On the right side it's also closed, as you can see, so we turn 180 degrees, so, and now it is open. So only now you can install the modules. You should watch for that. This one we place here. You click it like this. You give a good press, not too hard of course, but you can apply some pressure, otherwise the connector will not be connected. Same for the display. You give some pressure, then you hear also the buttons, you hear them clicking. So we have a second bar module. If you place the modules, you can look at the logo and the arrow. It should be pointed up, and the logo should be visible, readable, just like this. And then you click it on like this, and you hear. And then you can check also the working of the buttons, and you should see it's working okay. So now we can power up. We don't use the power supplies for now, we just use the USB connector. At the bottom you can see there is the USB connector, it's on the right side in the middle. On the right side of the USB connector is the reset button. The marking is on the PCB, you cannot see it now. You should really remember this one is for the reset. You will use it when you make some configuration changes, or in other cases you can reset it like this. And this is the middle one is for configuration and other uses, factory reset, things like that. And the temperature sensor opening is on this side. So now we are powering it up for the first time. You can see the LEDs, they are making all the colors just once. They are flashing. If I reset the board, you can see it once again. You see blue, red. No, it's too fast to see the actual colors, but you can see, and all the LEDs are working. Also, there are separate LEDs on the back side. I'll show you this. If I reset, you can also see the LEDs are also on the back side. They are independently assignable. We see on the big screen it says Wi-Fi not connected, access point started. So now we can make the connection, the Wi-Fi connection, to so that the button will be connected to our Wi-Fi network. So now we're going to connect the button to our local Wi-Fi network. For this we have our own smartphone, and you see there's a button plus access point is appearing next to your own Wi-Fi access point. If you click on it, it will connect to this access point. It's unsecured, of course. And it will forward you to the web page. This is actually a web page which is hosted on the button, and it will allow you to make the connection to the Wi-Fi network. You will see this in many IoT devices. For this, you press the menu, configure new AP. Now we configure our local Wi-Fi network. So it scanned for networks, and you can see now our own Wi-Fi network is Unify 116. Type in the network password. It's connecting, and now you can already see it's connecting. The initialization modal screen is not released. This is a small bug in the firmware. You can fix this by resetting. Reset the button. And now you see we have time from in Amsterdam time zone. Also, after within 10 seconds, the temperature of the sensor will appear. Is also published on the broker. So now we have the basic functions are working now.